In this video, we will learn how to download and install LibreOffice package. So let's open any web browser. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome. Here in search box type LibreOffice download. In search result, very first link which appears is of LibreOffice official site. Here click on download LibreOffice. Now in this window, choose your operating system and click on download. Downloading may take some time depending upon the speed of your internet connection. After downloading, open the file. Now click on Run button to start the installation. In this window, click on Next. Please select a setup type, either typical or custom. We will go with typical. Now click on Next. Now check or uncheck the options according to your requirement. Click on Install. Installation may take a while, so wait. After installation, click on Finish. Now click on Start button, then click LibreOffice. Wow! We can see our LibreOffice package is installed successfully, in which we can see Writer document, Calc spreadsheet, base database, etc. on the left side of our window. This is all for this video. We'll see how to work in these applications in upcoming videos. Thank you.